Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our next session of our class, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, and the new chapter is a dream come true. Yes, in the last chapter we had discussed that APJ Abdul Kalam dreamt to fly in the sky. उनका सपना था कि मैं आसमान में उड़ूं. And in this chapter there is a little girl called Reena who is a maid in a house, जो काम करती है घर पे, और जब वो बार बार सारा को देखती थी तो उसका भी मन पढ़ने का करता था. And she also wanted to study, to learn how to read and write, and how Sarah helped her to read and write is our next chapter, that is chapter number 9. Yes children, you can open up your classwork copy, reader books, and in the reader books come on to page number 69. Page number 69, right? And this is a new chapter which we are going to do in our class today, right? Now reading. Read this picture story about how a little girl made Reena's dream come true. Now see, the small girl, she helped Reena to make her dream come true. Now the first picture over here. See, in this picture, Sarah is a small little girl, right? And she is sitting on a sofa, and this is Reena, and Reena is doing the sweeping work. And let's see what Reena says. I am 19. Now Reena, how old is Reena? Reena is 19 years old. I am 19, but I can't read. How I wish I could read. Now what is Reena saying? Reena is saying that I am 19 years old. I cannot read. How I wish I could read. काश कि मुझे पढ़ना आता. फिर Reena is asking Sarah, what are you reading, Sarah? Sarah, तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? Yes, now Sarah replies, okay, I am reading a book called The Little Princess. Which book is Sarah reading? Sarah is reading the book called Little Princess. The girl in the book seems just like me. जो स्टोरी पढ़ रही है, जिस बच्ची के बारे में पढ़ रही है, वो मेरे जैसी ही है. She loves reading. That girl in the story also loves reading, and her name is also Sarah. The kind-hearted princess helps people by making their dreams come true. This little girl helps everybody. She helps people who come in a contact to let her dreams come true, and in the same way Sarah is also dreaming, going to help Reena, right? That night Reena had a dream. उस रात रीना ने क्या देखा? एक सपना देखा. Next morning, now when she was dreaming, she woke up late. It's late, let me go to work. जैसे ही नींद खुली, उसने सोचा कि चलो काम पर चलते हैं. अब यहाँ पे सारा के पापा, आपको दिख रहा है, चश्मा लगाए हैं. ही इज वेयरिंग अ स्पेक्स, राइट? नाउ ही सेज, फ्रॉम टुडे आई विल बी टीचिंग यू एवरी मॉर्निंग. ही सेज टू रीना, फादर सेज टू रीना दैट फ्रॉम टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू एवरी मॉर्निंग, बट आई हैव टू डू वर्क. रीना बोलती है, मुझे तो काम करना है. फादर, सारा के पापा बोलते हैं, from now you will not work in the morning. No, you will not work in the morning. Instead you will learn to read and write and count and add. He said, now you are not going to work in the morning. In the morning you are going to study how to read, how to write, how to count, how to add. And Reena is very pleased. She is very happy, and she says, God bless whoever has made my dream come true. She says, God bless, भगवान उसको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद दे जिसने मेरा ये सपना साकार करने में मदद करी. But I wonder who could it be? पर मैं सोच रही हूँ कि वो कौन हो सकती है. Wonder, सोचना ध्यान से. Ha ha. It was me. Thank you, Sarah. How did you do it? सारा ने बोला कि वो मैं थी. फिर रीना पूछती आपने कैसे किया? How did you do it? I told father to give you a break from work to learn how to read and write. Yesterday in the night when I saw you that you also wished that you all wanted to read the story book, then I went and told Papa that Reena also wants to learn how to read and write, and can we help her? Father said yes, of course. Then we'll stop her working from morning. First she will do her studies and then she can work. A few months later, like the kind-hearted princess, Sarah made my dream come true. I'm so happy. Now see that kind-hearted princess in the story, she helped everyone. Her name was also Sarah, and this small little girl, her name is also Sarah. Right? And she learned how to read and write. See children, the people who cannot read and write, they don't learn. जिसको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता है वो तरसते हैं पढ़ने लिखने के लिए, और हम को मम्मी रोज बोलती है बेटा पढ़ने बैठ जाओ, बेटा होमवर्क कर लो, बेटा लेक्चर अटेंड कर लो. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. राइट? सो लर्निंग इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. यू मस्ट लर्न बिकॉज दीज आर द थिंग्स विच विल हेल्प यू इन योर लाइफ टू डू better. And anybody who is educated can excel in anywhere, every field he can excel. But once if you are not educated, you cannot do anything, right? So this was the story about Sarah. Who is Sarah? Sarah is a little girl, and Reena is a maid in a house who does the sweeping and the swapping work. And Reena, how old is Reena? Reena is 19 years old. And one day when Sarah was reading, Reena said that yes, she also wants to read. Reena asked Sarah, which book are you reading? Sarah said, I am reading a book called The Little Princess. Later on, Sarah discussed with her father, and her father agreed to teach Reena. And he helped Reena to read, to write, to count and to act. This is a very small chapter which is very very meaningful. Here a small child like Sarah, she helped Reena to learn how to read and write. So this is how Reena's dream came true, right? So very small chapter, very easy chapter. Now let's move further with our fill in the blanks. Sarah was reading a book called, yes, come on, try to find out the answer. What is the answer? Yes, The Little Princess, The Fairy Princess, A Little Princess. Which book was she reading? Yes, she was reading the book called The Little Princess. The princess in the storybook was cruel, helpful, beautiful. Cruel means बहुत ठोर थी, वो निष्ठुर थी, वो किसी का काम नहीं करती थी, किसी की हेल्प नहीं करती थी, या सभी की हेल्प करती थी, या ब्यूटीफुल थी. यस, यस, शी वॉज हेल्पफुल. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Reena began learning to read, write and count and act, to sing and dance, to swim and drive cars. What did Reena learn? Yes, Reena learned to read, write, count and act. Right? Reena's dream came true because of her teacher Sarah, Sarah's mother. Who made a dream come true? Sarah. Right. So here we wind up with the chapter over here, which was a very small chapter, and we are moving further. Let's move on to write down this chapter in our classwork copy. So be ready with your classwork copies. Yes, write down the chapter name. This is the second chapter of a second term. Right? Whatever work you have to complete it in your classwork copies. Okay. Now a dream come true. This is the chapter name. Write down the chapter name, and from the margin we are going to write down some dictation words which are little important in this chapter, right? Okay, then start writing. This is our margin. Along the margin we write down dictation words, right? Here you can write down your date of our lecture, today's date. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I want everybody to be ready. Get ready by writing down the chapter name, the dictation words. Yes, have you written down the dictation words? Yes. Now moving on to the first dictation word. Yes. The first word is 19. 9, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Next word. Wander. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wander. Next. Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-E-N. 19. Wander. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wander. Princess. Prin. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. Kind hearted. H-E-A-R-T-E-D. Kind hearted. What is the spelling of kind? K-I-N-D. Kind. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Hearted. Kind hearted. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. Instead, right? So complete the words which are written on the board. Yes, I am waiting for you to complete the words. The first word is 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Wander. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wander. Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. Kind hearted. K-I-N-D. Kind. H-E-A-R-T-E-D. Hearted. Kind hearted. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. Yes, children, have you completed your work? Yes? Okay. Shall we move further? Now after this, we are going to write down, fill in the blanks, right? Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Sarah was reading a book. Sarah was reading a book called The Little Princess. Next, the princess in the storybook was the princess in the story book was dash. Now, what was the princess in the storybook? Was she cruel, beautiful or helpful? Yes, she was helpful. So, my answer is helpful. The next sentence. Reena began learning. Reena began learning dash. Now my answer is to read, comma write, comma count and add. Next, Reena's dream came true. Reena's dream came true because of dash. Sarah. Right? So these are fill in the blanks. Children, complete your work. I'm waiting for you, and by the time who has finished writing will start reading along with me. Right? So the first sentence is Sarah was reading a book called, which book was she reading? She was reading a book called The Little Princess. The princess in the storybook was, yes, was she cruel? No. Was she beautiful? No. Then helpful, right. She was helpful. Reena began learning to read, write, count and add. Right? Reena's dream came true because of Sarah. Yes? Hope your work is complete, children. After this, we'll move on to write question and answers. Yes? Shall we move? Okay. Now next we are going to write down question and answers. Alright, question number 1. How old is Reena? How old is Reena? My answer is Reena is 19 years old. Right? So, how old is Reena? Who is Reena? Reena is the maid. She does the sweeping and the swabbing work. And Reena is 19 years old. What does Reena want to do? My next question. Question 2. What does Reena wants to do? Reena क्या करना चाहती है? Yes, Reena wants to learn how to read. क्या चाहती है रीना? रीना पढ़ना चाहती है, राइट? My next question, question number 3. Who is Sarah? Yes, come on, think. Who is Sarah? Yes, who is Sarah? Sarah is a little girl who loves reading. Right? Yes, so the question written on the board is, how old is Reena? Reena is 19 years old. What does Reena wants to do? Reena wants to learn how to read. Who is Sarah? Sarah is a little girl who loves reading. And my last question for today is, which book is Sarah reading? Yes. Question number 4. Which book is Sarah reading? Which book is Sarah reading? Yes. Sarah is reading a book called The Little Princess. Right? So, Sarah is reading a book called The Little Princess. next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, what was Reena doing when Sarah was reading? What was Reena doing when Sarah was what was Reena doing when Sarah was reading? Question mark. Don't forget to put the question mark after each questions. Yes. Reena was sweeping. झाड़ू लगा रही है ना? Sweeping when Sarah was reading. What was Reena curious about? What was Reena curious about? Curious, उत्सुक थी. कौन सी बुक पढ़ रही है सारा? उसके लिए वो उत्सुक थी, right? So answer is Reena was curious about which book Sarah was reading. Yes, what was Reena curious about? Reena was curious about which book Sarah was reading, right? And here we come to an end with today's lecture and meet you in the next lecture. By the time, children, you can complete your work and learn the question and answers, right? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.